I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare React.js versus React Native. We will explore their core differences and ideal use cases. While both frameworks stem from Facebook and utilize JavaScript, their primary applications diverge significantly. React.js is a library for building user interfaces for web applications, whereas React Native is a framework for developing cross-platform native mobile applications. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for choosing the right tool for your project. React.js is a powerful library specifically designed for crafting dynamic and responsive web applications. It allows developers to build reusable UI components, significantly speeding up development. Its virtual DOM implementation is a key feature, optimizing updates and delivering a smooth user experience. With a robust community and extensive third-party libraries, React.js remains a top choice for modern web development, powering countless websites globally. React Native extends React's principles to mobile, enabling developers to build native iOS and Android applications using JavaScript. Unlike hybrid web views, React Native renders actual native UI components, providing a truly native look and feel. This approach allows for significant code reuse, often up to 90%, across platforms, drastically reducing development time and cost. Its developer experience, including features like hot reloading, makes it highly efficient for mobile app creation. Deciding between React.js and React Native depends entirely on your project's goals. If your aim is a robust, interactive web application accessible via a browser, React.js is your ideal choice. For native mobile applications that run on iOS and Android devices, offering a truly native experience, React Native is the clear winner. Both frameworks provide excellent performance and developer experience, making them leading choices in their respective domains.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.